Hey beautiful people, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Zaini'S kitchen. Hope you all are doing well. So guys, today's weather is speaking French, as you can see. It's really beautiful weather today, guys. So I decided to make hot chocolate. But before we start, let's go drop the child to school. Then when we come back, we're gonna start with our cooking. Okay guys, I'm home now, so let's get into the video. First, I'm gonna add 2 cups of milk in the pot. This is a full cream milk, guys, so yeah. Next, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and I'm gonna mix everything together to make sure it comes together. Once we're done with the mixing, I'm gonna add 1 cup of heavy cream. After adding heavy cream, I'm gonna give one more time a good mix. Then I'm gonna wait for milk to get hot. Once it's hot, I'm going to add my dark chocolate. You don't wait until it's boiling. Once you see it's hot, just add your dark chocolate and mix it well. Okay, now you have to keep stirring. Don't stop, otherwise the chocolate will settle down and we don't want that. Once you see it start boiling, just count 1 minute. After 1 minute, you can off the flame and your hot chocolate is done. Making hot chocolate is really easy, guys, and it's delicious. I love my hot chocolate when weather is like this. So that's it for today, guys. If you did like this video, don't forget to like, comment down below what you think about the recipe, and share your ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.